We'll guide you through how to change channel on vidIQ. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and navigate directly to app.vidIQ.com to begin the process. Log into your vidIQ account using your usual credentials. Then pause briefly and wait for the dashboard to load fully before continuing. Once the dashboard appears, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to open your account options. Inside the Settings area, locate the Connected Channels section and carefully check which YouTube channel is currently connected. Next, click Manage Channels to view available channels linked to your account. If your other channel appears in the list, select it and confirm the switch if a confirmation message is shown. After confirming, wait patiently while the dashboard refreshes. When the page reloads, verify that the channel name displayed has changed to the correct one. Then open a new tab in your browser and go to youtube.com. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, choose Switch Account, and select the channel you want to use. Make sure you are fully inside the correct channel before moving on. Return to the vidIQ dashboard tab and refresh the page to sync the connection. If the channel still has not changed, log out of vidIQ completely, then log back in. Choose the correct Google account during login and allow all requested permissions again. Wait while the connection process completes, then confirm the channel name shown on the dashboard. Finally, check the Analytics section to ensure the data matches the selected channel, confirming the channel switch is complete. This careful sequence ensures that account permissions, analytics data, and dashboard tools align correctly with the intended channel. Always double-check names, icons, and data panels before proceeding to content planning or optimization tasks. Following these steps in order helps maintain accuracy, saves troubleshooting time, and ensures vidIQ features function properly for the selected YouTube channel. Consistent verification after switching channels reduces confusion